Sudeep mentioned that he believed that the FPO would go through. Stock has had a heady run. It's prior to the inclusion in the index itself, it's had a move and then it's kind of sustained there. You reckon the FPO has a good chance of, I mean, it's a large one, getting through comfortably?
So kind of assets that FPO will definitely get through comfortably, because I think the size of investors looking at India from investment perspective, I think they get probably one of the best proxy in form of Adani Enterprise today, because of I think the kind of the infrastructure assets that they've built and they're building. So from that point of view, I think they become the finest proxy as far as entering into India, and I don't see too much of a problem. In fact, I think I would have been worried had they gone with I think a smaller portion of FPO, probably I think would not have attracted some of the larger funds. Today, I think 20,000 crore is I think hardly $2.5 billion, and I think the appetite of some of the global funds is so very high that I think they would probably look for to have such kind of the product into the market. And other aspect I think which probably I think is more important, in which I alluded saying, you are already having operating assets. So any new investors walking in at this point of time, for him it becomes an attractive proposition because the cash generation is already there, and you are further augmenting the cash generation by way of I think putting the additional money into some of the newer assets. So from that point of view, I would think that I think the business would probably attract I think investors. Last but not the least, the as the pattern goes, I think earlier also they have demerged after incubating all the businesses into separate companies, and they've ended up getting significant amount of capital appreciation for investors. So that history is known to most of the new investors who are putting money or who are likely to put money to this FPO. They're likely to see the capital appreciation from this particular asset, given the design which is already in place from Adani Enterprise. So I don't see too much of a problem on that particular aspect.